Welcome to this video. In this video we're going to talk about floating action button. So what I've just done is everything about a floating action button. I just add children icon share, and then I add so then you want to send, if now you want to center your floating action button, so this is a widget. Then there are so many you can try, so many options there. Like for example, when I just go to center float, so center your button. So this is it. You have to put them here for you. When you type floating action button, so you type again. So these are all this is just a simple widget. So this is it. I just a very simple app. I have my run app, void main. As you can see, don't worry, I'll post this link below. This is it, floating an action button. So thank you guys for watching. Love and share this video. Until then, see you.